Happy Saturday, y'all. I know we didn't go to work yesterday, but let's go to work today. See y'all there. Okay, y'all, we just got to our spot. And it says it's a 4-minute wait, but we will see. I don't know, I feel happy today. I wasn't gonna vlog, but I said why not. But yeah, y'all. So we're gonna sit here and wait and see if we can get anything. You know what I mean? And let's hope we make some shmoney today. And guess what? We don't have a goal. I need to have a goal, but I don't have a goal because, you know, I'm going to save everything anyway, everything that I can. You know, I love, like, before 9. It's the coolest. It's like you can get a good breeze here in Central Florida before 9. But it's still like 80-something before 9. Oh, that's crazy work right there. Okay, y'all, so I'll see y'all when we get our first order of the day. And I hope y'all having a great morning, or whenever y'all seeing this. I hope y'all doing well, feeling good like me. All right, y'all. Okay, y'all, that didn't really take long. I think after I made that my previous little clip, we waited like 2 minutes. Now we have our first order of the day, y'all. We starting off with $7.75, going 5 miles. I know it's not great, but we're gonna take it to get on the board. We're going to IHOP to pick up for Carrie, y'all. And I bet you they ain't gonna be ready. I don't know. But we're going to get it. Let's go to IHOP. It's right there. Like right here. Y'all see it? Y'all see IHOP? Over there. Right over there. So let's go on head over to IHOP, y'all. Yeah, y'all. They talking about it should be out in 10 minutes. We'll see if we hang on and wait on this order. I don't think she knows oh yeah, I'm looking at the cars in the parking lot. All right. I'm looking at the cars in the parking lot. It's probably gonna be 10 minutes. I don't know. Yeah, it's kind of crowded out here. All right, y'all. See y'all when we get the order. Good, y'all. Let's go take Carrie her order. Hey, y'all. We at Carrie house now. Let's go take her order. Thank you for your order. Yes, they make tombstones here, y'all. Let's go to Target area and get our next order. Okay, y'all, we got our second order together. $6.75, going 2 miles, going to Panera Bread. Let's go get it. Okay, y'all, we have reached Panera Bread. Let's go see if Pablo's order is ready. Pablo order was ready. We got the goods, y'all. 5 minutes to Pablo house, y'all. Let's go so we can get on back up here. We at Pablo's house now, y'all. Let's go take him his order. Thank you for your business. Hey everybody, I decided to take a little break, and when I did my last delivery, y'all, I noticed a little RV sales center, y'all. So let's go take a look and see what they got. Let's see. Y'all, we are here at Camping World. This is a Coleman RV, y'all. Let's go be nosy. The door has the step up here, y'all. And they say this unit has been winterized. I don't think it's a price on that, y'all. Let's see. Okay, y'all, let's go on up in here. Step up. Oh, and this attaches. Let me see if I can get, this is the bed. Oh, it has the AC up there, y'all. That's pretty dope. Let's check out this cabinet. Oh, a little storage area. And it has the little clothes rod right there. All right. This looks like, I don't know exactly what this is, but they have the outlets right there. More outlets up here on the wall. I'm assuming this controls maybe the hookups for the water pump, or the water pump, the awning. So this has an awning, you guys. The exterior light, more outlets, the fire extinguisher. It has the little sink right here. You need to come in here? Yeah, then it has the two burner stove right there. More cabinetry down here, y'all. More storage. Then check it out, y'all. It has the microwave. This pops up for more ventilation. This has the fridge, the little mini fridge. Let's check it out. Oh, okay, not bad, y'all. Then here, let's open this door. Oh, wow, y'all, look. The toilet area and shower area with another pop-up vent. The shower. Let me see if I can get a better look for y'all. The shower. Oh, it's such a confined space, y'all. So this is, it looks like it sleeps maybe 4. Then you have the bunk right here. Oh, more outlets.
Would you like me to give you more information on that?
Oh, no, I'm just doing the video. Oh, thank you. Yeah, and then the seating area. And I guess this is where you also can seat. And, oh, this could be another bed. Because you can put this down. Yep, this comes off. This comes off, y'all. See? And you can lay it across there to make another sleeping area. And window right here. And more storage. Okay, y'all. She did ask me if I needed, oh, it has a screen door, y'all. I didn't even notice that. Yeah. Yes. So we at Camping World, y'all. But we about to go back to work. We are in Central Florida, in Claremont, off Highway 27 behind me. But they have a slew of RVs here. Check them out, y'all. All right, y'all, we gotta get back to work. Let's go get the shmoney. Y'all, so we got our next order. We have a $10 10 item Shop and deliver, going 2 miles, y'all, for Brittany at Dollar General. Let's go shop. Hello, good morning. We shopped the order, y'all. Let's go to checkout. We got Brittany all packed up. Let's go deliver her order. How y'all doing? Hey! Hey! No. Okay, let's go, y'all. We at Brittany's house now, y'all. Let's go take her order. Thank you for your business. Hey y'all, so that's what all we're gonna do today together. I'm gonna do the rest on my own, but I wish everybody have a happy day and a happy weekend. See you guys on the next video.